Hey guys, Tony here. So just updating you guys on PLTR. I am down about 4% on my position, and I did buy puts just to kind of hedge against the drop, maybe in the next week or two or so. And I also heard today from one of my YouTube comments that something happened with the CEO of PLTR on CNBC. I mean, I've been busy at work, so you guys know if I have a crap ton of stuff to do at work, I don't keep up with the news or anything. But does anybody know what happened with the CEO of PLTR like yesterday on CNBC? Because I have like absolutely no clue, and I'm like driving right now and I don't want to check, but I'll check after I post this video when I get home and stuff. But yeah, just updating you guys on my position. I do have down about 4%, and I did buy a put to kind of hedge my position, and I'm already up about 14% on this. So we'll see what happens in the next couple of days. I'll see you guys later.